If technology feels like it's moving too fast and you're a beginner trying to break into tech or remote work, stop scrolling right now. You don't need to learn everything. You just need to learn three key things in the right order. First off, you need to understand computer basic skills is very important so that you feel safe. Then second, AI tools so that you work faster. And third, you need to now learn data analysis so that you can then start earning. All right. So I call this the ZEKROVA method. I mapped out the entire path out in a free PDF roadmap. Yes, it's a free resources. All right, so it's free for everyone, including especially for beginners. Just click in my bio to download it and catch up today. Now we start a free step-by-step training in about 2 weeks. Once we have enough beginners joining, we begin. Download and I'll see you in class so we can start learning from zero together.